Sheila, go ahead.
Definitely. That was a very good answer. And of course, I hope everyone is listening to Mr. Kaiser's advice because, listen, nothing is easy, especially in journey that will be very rewarding, will not be easy. You have to remain focused. You have to cut out the noise and trust your journey and remain committed. And I have a question for Mr. Shiblu. Mr. Kaiser mentioned staying focused, and he really emphasized focus and concentration. And I feel, TS4U has changed the way it provides instruction over time, and currently it is a one-on-one private boot camp. What would you say, how is Mr. Kaiser's advice with TS4U's vision currently? How well does it align?
Well, I think the word focus is very powerful, and he knows what it meant. Not many people knows. So we are providing the one-on-one and private. It actually the fundamentally truth with the word focus. So student will be with us one-on-one, means every student have the private coach. The coach will be delivering step by step and review the work, assign the work, and give the help with the presentation, the show and tell, and then the challenge student, motivate student, and then student can go the fast phase, student can go to the slow phase, and student actually go through the video mock interviews on every module. None we provided to Kaiser, right? So we actually change the game because the word focus is actually the fully highlighted, the if student, not the if, there should not be any if. As Kaiser mentioned, you already decided you are here. So at this moment, just focus and follow the process and procedure. Eventually, you will see the outcome is on your way. So yeah, here's the word focus, exactly the implementation of the private and one-on-one bootcamp.